I have this cookie sheet that I got from the Dollar Tree. It measures 13 by 9 inches. And I'm going to start by painting it with some Wise Owl white primer. Sometimes when working with metal or plastic, we like to prime the surface before painting. Once that was fully covered, I'm going to allow the primer to set. I did do 2 coats of the primer, and then I want my cookie sheet to be white, so then I went on top of the primer with some Wise Owl white paint. And now the cookie sheet is fully covered nicely. I'm going to set that aside to dry. And I went through my wood letters, and I'm going to spell out baking, spirits, in small wood letters. And then I have bigger wood letters. I'm going to spell the word bright. Now, most of my wood letters come from Hobby Lobby. You could find them at the wood section. And I'm going to paint baking with some Wise Owl Spanish olive. And then I'm going to do every other letter in the word bright with the Spanish olive as well. Now you can certainly customize this to any colors of your choice. And all paint products can be found on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm then going to take Wise Owl Republic Red, and I'm going to do the word spirits in the red, and then the other remaining letters from the word bright in red as well. I'm going to go back to my cookie sheet, and at the top here, I'm going to glue down some artificial greenery. You could find this pretty much at any craft store. I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby. I have this gingerbread snowflake with some faux icing on it that came from Christmas Tree Shop. It was an ornament, and I'm going to glue that in the center. Next, I have my straight edge, and I'm going to lay out all my wood letters, putting baking spirits at the top. And I just glue those down with some hot glue. You can also use some E6000. And after the baking spirits are staggered, I'm then going to do bright across the bottom. I found these mini gingerbread ornaments from Hobby Lobby, and I have these small little magnets. And I'm going to glue a magnet onto the back of each ornament. Now, these ornaments reminded me of little gingerbread cookies, so I just removed the hanger from them, and I'm gluing a magnet onto the back side of each one. You can certainly also just glue these in place, and I'm going to add a hanger to the back side. So now you have this really cute decor that you can use the magnets on the front to hang pictures or recipes of your choice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.